My name is Pija Radhagan. Today, the match between Kolkata versus Hyderabad. Who is the best captain in this game? DK or David Warner? Give in a comment section. Who is the best bowler in this game? Give a comment section. Who is the best spinner in this game? A. Rashid Khan. B. Kuldeep Yadav. C. Sunil Narine. D. Bhunesh Kumar. Will Kane Williamson came as a big deal to Hyderabad. Will give a bonus and a sensation to the Hyderabad. Please give a comment section. Who is the most underrated player? Is DK, batting Miss Bhunesh Kumar. What is the over bowled by Bhunesh Kumar? Give a comment section. Who will win the game today? Whether Hyderabad or Kolkata? Kolkata having a huge losses because in batting and bowling. Ian Morgan have a maximum strike rate of 140, but he is not up to the mark. What is the difference? It's a big match, so whether he'll be played a vital role or a normal role, please give in comment section. And David Warner, how many runs will be hit in this match? 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the most young player in this game? A. Rashid Khan. B. Shubman Gill. Who is the most young cricketer of Kolkata and also Virat Kohli? Can you name him? Give a cut answer and also give a comment section. So, if Kolkata won the match, how many runs will be given to Hyderabad in 20 overs? 210, 220, 230, 240. Joining Ben Stokes is highest score 118. So in this game 130, 140, 150, 160. Vijay Shankar is good against spin, but he was bowled by Chawla. Will never give up in his spinning. Who is the part-time of this game? Any cases? Mitchell Marsh is out of injury and Johnson Holder came. How is useful to the Hyderabad? What role will be played by Shubman Gill for the Kolkata? Now DK is very in tough condition because he was not played in first match. He only scored 30 runs. Why like this? DK, we are expecting from this. Not only Andrew Russell is a biggest and also a father of 2020. That is Andrew Russell. In bowling, he gave 1 run, 1 over, 11 runs and 1 wicket. 1 run means how many runs will be given in 1 over? 1 run, 2 runs, 3 runs, 4 runs by Andrew Russell. How much runs will be scored in 5 overs by Hyderabad? Any cases? Will Johnny Ben Stokes will be caught in ball or LBW, hit wicket or run noted? Any cases? David Warner, tell me what is a favorite shot? Give in a comment section. I think David Warner should see the maximum replacement of middle order because the middle order is not up to the mark. So my favorite player is Mahela Jayawardene. He is a perfect for middle order batsman. Any cases? My dream team is given a comment section. And also I want you a dream 11 from you. So Bhunesh Kumar, he was not playing, but he was also a valuable player. Rashid Khan will give him lasting and boosting for his team. How many runs will be scored by Manisha Pandey? In the first match, he was batting superbly, but went for a silly shots. Again, he will do it in the same way. So, how many runouts will be done by Johnny Bairstow? 1, 2, 3. Is there having any hat-tricks in this game? Or any verbal in this game? Any actions, sequences is there in this game? Tell me, what is the most faced in this game? Batting cummins, how much average? Given a comment section. Not only who is the best pacer in this game, A. Batsman, Patting Cummins. B. Shubman Gill. C. Johnson Hodder. D. Mohammad Nabi. David Warner. Want to say new faces, or he will be continue in his old faces. David Warner, great captaincy and also great man. If you take him, will also cannot handle. So, what's wrong with you, middle order David Warner? Please, you have to check with it. Not only Kolkata having star players, Patting Cummins, because he was one of the most expensive in 2020. Andrew Russell, Kuldeep Yadav also playing a big role in this game. Tough conditions, but it is very useful in this game. Suryanarayan, how many runs will be scored in his top order? So, I have one question. Kuldeep Yadav we can send in middle order. So, he is also batsman. So, in many past times, India, he was saved by his batting. Not only how much score will be scored by Vijay Shankar by his bowling. You know, in his first over, first ball, first wicket was taken by Vijay Shankar. It is a track record for him. Not only any comments, will we have a super over? How many runs will be conducted in super over? 6, 8, 10. Can you tell me? Patting Cummins is the best bowler and also a trump card to Dinesh Karthik. So thanking you.